right when it drops off this shelf up here, see how shallow it is? And see where that little side channel comes in?
On the right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold your cast and then drop it right off of that shelf as we're going by. We'll be moving pretty fast. I'm going to go right over the edge of that shelf.
Just off the shelf?
Yeah. Right through this water right here. See that depth?
Yeah.
Right through there.
Right there.
There it is.
Right there, Rob, get your line. Get your line,
I was out.
I found it. I've got one fucking fly. If I break him up, we're fucked.
You quit swearing we can't show this at the store.
Oh, sorry.
Is it?
This guy, yeah.
Fucking fish just launched right there. Yeah.
Why don't you make him stop the info and go get the net? Yeah. Well, I don't know. We haven't seen him yet. He's gonna have to tire out pretty soon. You're gonna go up on him.
Yeah, he's not huge. I got it on film. It's not that big. It's like 12 inches. Huh?
Trying to figure out where to take.
We can't do much better than right here. We got a long net.
Maybe just get him close enough.
Well, the rod didn't break.
Come on, man, over here. I'm just afraid to lift his head too aggressively.
Step downstream on you. Nice.
There you go, folks.
Alright, you just broke this open. That's a beauty.
That's a good color, Jim.
It's nice.
Isn't that good color? I mean, sometimes
Beautiful.
they're a little,
It's really pretty.
that is a beautiful fish.
Good work. She's still got some bite in it, huh? Put this fucking
Boy, that
level
thing's
on, dude.
fucking buried. Boys, there you go.
Beautiful fish. See ya.
Good job.
Nice.
I'm gonna go get one now.
Let me see what you were fishing.
See what he took?
So it's pretty much similar to anything we're using.
grab my different box here. This is what I put on. See that?
Yeah, I have that on already.
This one?
Yep.
This is one of Chad's flies.
Well, I had something with that color.
Yeah.
How about this one? Am I off?
You know,
Doesn't matter. It is what it is.
I mean, I'm trying some different stuff. I'd swear they were eating spinners. And I got my little creek box here with emergers. I got some PMD spinners in here.
I tried a PMD spinner. If there's something that you have that's got a...
This is what I put on, is something like that.
From
Nah, I've took 3, but 2 of them got off. Little one.
yeah. The little sound fork one.
The little one.
Fucking...
Drop it.
Want me to hold your rod so you can show 'em?